3 years. That's how long I wasted trying every viral skincare product on the market. Hundreds of dollars, zero results, until I discovered that I only needed 2 ingredients working together. And in 6 weeks, my skin completely transformed. Let me tell you how. Here's what nobody tells you. Dehydrated skin becomes inflamed. Inflamed skin loses moisture faster. It's a vicious cycle, and I was stuck in it. My skin was simultaneously dry and breaking out. So I went down a research rabbit hole and discovered something fascinating. Turmeric, specifically curcumin, is this incredible anti-inflammatory that actually calms your skin at a cellular level. Not just covering up redness, but stopping the inflammation underneath. And hyaluronic acid, it can hold 1,000 times its weight in water. It's like a moisture magnet for your skin. But here's the breakthrough. When you use them together, they break that cycle from both ends. Hyaluronic acid hydrates, turmeric calms, and together, they create this multiplying effect that neither can do alone. Personal building excitement. So I tried it. Day 1, my skin felt instantly plumper. Week 2, people started asking what I was doing differently. New foundation? Nope, just my actual skin. By week 6, I couldn't believe the progress photos. Dark spots fading, fine lines from dehydration, gone. My skin tone was even and glowing in a way it hadn't been in years. And it stayed that way because I was finally fixing the root problem, not just masking symptoms. Okay, here's exactly how to do this. The order matters. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Step 1, turmeric cleanser. Massage for 60 seconds. This gives you your first anti-inflammatory boost. Step 2, while skin is still damp, and this is crucial, apply turmeric toner. This creates moisture for the next step. Step 3, this is the magic moment. Apply hyaluronic acid serum while your skin is damp. Press it in gently. You'll feel your skin just drink it up. Critical rule, never leave hyaluronic acid unsealed. In dry environments, it can actually pull moisture from your skin. Step 4, seal everything with turmeric moisturizer. This locks in the hydration and continues those anti-inflammatory benefits. Step 5, morning only, SPF, non-negotiable. You're brightening your skin. Don't let the sun undo it. That's it. 5 minutes in the morning, 7 at night. No complicated 15-step routine that you'll abandon in a week. Quick tips. Dry skin? Add a face oil between steps 3 and 4. Oily or acne-prone? Use gel formulas and skip the oil. Yes, you still need hydration. Sensitive? This combo is naturally calming. Just patch test first. Mature skin? Use all the steps for maximum anti-aging benefits. Real talk. This isn't magic. It won't fix everything overnight. You need to give it 6 weeks and be consistent. But what it will do? Give your skin the foundation to actually be healthy. Hydrated, calm, and glowing naturally. Not just filtered. A year ago, I felt defeated every morning. Today, I actually like my reflection. Not because my skin is perfect, but because it's healthy. If you're dealing with dehydrated skin, inflammation, or dullness, this is your sign. Try it for 6 weeks. Take progress photos. Your future self will thank you. Everything's linked below. The AMVital turmeric line is what I use daily. If this helped you, smash that like button and drop a comment if you try this routine. Here's to your golden glow.